Is every triumph really worth the song? Will the world change if we are giving it our all? How can a sharp break through the despair? How can we tear through fate's relentless lane so that nothing in this world can block our way? In the darkest night, I will still dream of day. Even if I'm broken and it all ends in vain. But in a fight to light tomorrow's way, cut retreat, I will gamble that may come. This may scorn me, but my path will not be swayed. Through thorns we tread, through deserts we roam. The roads may end with no home to return to, but this faith of mine will never break. I shall break this broken world and forge a new dawn. Crushing fierce flames amid mountains and sea. Let every light turn to dust in this mortal world. I will turn pain and tears into strength, forging feast. Instantly piercing through the endless night. Let those defiant souls compose the freedom song. Don't bow down to the loss they made. Nor do I believe in his own sweetest time of fate. You repeat all these fabricated truths. You try to chain me and dictate my fate. But don't forget I was forged in the villain's fire. I shall break this broken world and forge a new dawn. Crushing fierce flames amid mountains and seas. Let every light turn to dust in this mortal world. I will turn pain and tears into strength, forging face. Instantly piercing through the endless night. Let those defiant souls compose the freedom song.